Your vehicle may be equipped with a feature that can help avoid a potential collision while driving in reverse, which can be very helpful while backing out of a parking space in a crowded lot. Let me tell you about it. Reverse Brake Assist is a system that, when it detects an obstacle behind your vehicle, provides a warning through the rear parking aid or cross-traffic alert system. If the system determines that a collision with an obstacle may occur, full braking may automatically apply. The system then applies the brakes for a short period of time to alert the driver to take action. A message and warning indicator will appear when the system automatically applies the brakes. Keep in mind, there may be instances where unexpected automatic reverse braking occurs, such as if the lighting is too low or the background scenery is too complex for the system to recognize an object. When this happens, you can override the system or switch the system off. To override the system, continue to press the accelerator pedal, or you can switch the system off through the touchscreen. While in park, just go to Settings, Driver Assistance, Reverse Brake Assist, then slide the button to turn it off or on if desired. One more thing, the system has several preconditions for operation. For example, if the rear view camera lens is dirty and all the doors are not securely closed, a message will appear when in reverse, letting you know that the system is off or unavailable. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.